All right, today our lesson is on dividing rationals, and really it's almost exactly the same thing as when we multiply like we did in our previous lesson. All you do is just flip the second rational and then multiply it. So if we have 4x, like in number 1, 4x minus over 5x minus 20 divided by x squared minus 2x over x squared minus 6x plus 8, we just flip it. So this becomes 4x over 5x minus 20 times x squared minus 6x plus 8 over x squared minus 2x. So all we do is flip it. And so now we need to factor everything out. So on the top, I'm going to make the top combine it. I'm going to have a 4x, and then x squared minus 6x plus 8. I have 1 times 8 is 8. The two numbers that multiply to be 8 and add up to negative 6 are x minus 4 and x minus 2. On the bottom, I have 5x minus 20. I can take out a 5, so I get 5 times x minus 4, and then x squared minus 2x. I can take out an x and still have x minus 2. So if we look at that now, we can get rid of the x minus 4s, the x minus 2s, and the x's, and we're left with 4 over 5. So it reduces very nicely. This is why I like division and multiplication, is just getting rid of everything else and seeing everything go away. Okay, so number 2, let's try another one. So we're going to write the first equation the same way, and then we flip the second equation. So now the x plus 2 is on top, and the 4x plus 16 is on the bottom. And so let's see what that leaves us with. So 3x squared plus 13x plus 4. So if I'm doing some work, 3 times 4 is 12. The two numbers that multiply be 12 and add up to 13 are 12 and 1. So I'd have 12 x plus 12 and x plus 1. But then I need to divide by the a value, so 3. So I'm going to end up with x plus 4 times 3x plus 1. And then the x plus 2 stays the same. Can't do anything to it. It's already factored out. And then on the denominator, x squared minus 4, that's difference of squares. So it becomes x minus 2 times x plus 2. And then 4x plus 16, we can take out a 4, and we're left with x plus 4. So let's see what we can factor out here. It looks like we have an x plus 2 and an x plus 4. And so then our final answer would be 3x plus 1 on top, and on the bottom 4 times x minus 2. And that's all we can do. That's all we can do with it. All right, one more, last one. Same thing, division. We're going to flip the bottom and the top on the second one only. The first one stays the same. So I'm going to rewrite it. And it becomes a multiplication problem. Y squared plus 5y plus 4 over y squared minus 9. And so I want to factor out the top, y squared minus 5y plus 4. That's going to be y minus 4 times y minus 1. Y squared plus 5y plus 4 is y plus 4 times y plus 1. And on the bottom, y squared minus 1, that's the difference of squares. Y minus 1 times y plus 1. And then y squared minus 9, same thing. Y minus 3 times y plus 3. And then all we do is cross out what they have in common. Y minus 1 and y plus 1. And so when we write our final answer, we don't need to multiply it back out. We'll just leave it as y minus 4
Dad, can
times
I
y
write
plus
with
4
you? Can I write
in a
with
little
you?
bit, Bubba,
No, like
over y
like
minus
that.
3 times y plus 3. So that's your final answer. And hopefully you enjoyed Eddie checking in on us at the very end. All right, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe.